Today I'm replacing the cabin filter on a 2015 Audi S5. Same as an A5 or an A4. This, right now I'm underneath the passenger side footwell, under the glove box. All you have to do is, with your hands, you can do this whole job with your hands, no tools required. You undo these little plastic fasteners. This one here, just you undo them. They're just little plastic screws. You undo both of them. And then pull this piece of foam down. There's actually three of them, I'm sorry. I'm losing my mind. This one in the middle, pull this down, and then there's your cover right there, that white cover. You take this and you slide it towards the front of the car, or actually towards the passenger side front. And then from there you can just take this and pull it down. This one is very dirty. It's the car has 35,000 miles on it, so this is pretty bad for 35,000 miles. But you pull that down, and everything, all the debris falls out of this pretty well. You can put this together and then just clean up afterwards. So that's all I'm gonna do. Take the new one, stick this back up into place. Sometimes you have to kind of bend it a little bit, but that's just how it is. And then slide it up like that. Take this, push this up like this until it clicks into place. There it is. And make sure all these hooks are on and this white thing is flush with the housing. If it's not, it'll whistle, it won't be secure. You see a lot of them coming in like that, where these are hanging down that weren't slid in. There's 4 fingers. You have to make sure that the black fingers are on the bottom of the white cover when you slide it on. But then you can just stick this piece of foam back in there like this. And you know, you have to mess with it a little bit to get it on there. I'm not doing this one. It's very smooth. Just push it until you feel the little plastic holes where the screws go, until they're all popping through the piece of foam a little bit, and then you can just put it on like this and tighten all these by hand, and then you are good to go. So thanks for watching.